Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to start a new series. So this is based on material UI. I'll show you how to use it, how to use its components with React. Mainly I'm going to show you how to use it with React. It is based on Google material design system. So it's you can read here, and this is the link. So how it has some rules, so in the design, so it uses the system. So this is material UI. So it is a mainly a component library. Those who know, then you people know. So you can build like components like this very easily, very fast. Those who develop websites, those don't have any design, like those who have less design knowledge, they use material UI for fast building some components fastly. So this is like, if we get started, this is documentation. I will mainly show you the documentation most of the time. So this is like a component library. So here we have our overview. They are saying is material UI is an open source. So it is an open source. You people, if want, can contribute to the open source. I think they have a Github repo. So React component library that implements Google's material design. So I have told you before that they use this design system in their components. So you will find a lot of components here. Those you can use in React project if you are building a project. So if I give you a look, here is like button group, checkbox. So here is a lot of things. I will show you some of them, but you mainly have to follow the documentation because this is a large documentation. I can't show you everything, like this is not possible. So I will show you the main things, how to use them. This will be a simple beginner friendly course. So if you are starting with this, you don't know, you can actually follow. So it includes a comprehensive collection of pre-built components. I'm saying they already built them. They provided you the components. Like if you just only use like this component, your website will have this button. So you don't have to like style it every time if you want. Okay, so I'll just, in this video I will just install it. I will start using this in the next video, in the following video. So here we have two options, with style components, and one is default installation. We'll firstly go with default installation. So okay, we will copy it. So I actually have created a React app, simple React app. Don't be like afraid of that. Just created it and I started the server. If you can, if I look, so here is it. It is running. So this is simple React app. I didn't do anything yet. So I'll just open another terminal and paste that link, that installation. Here we are installing MUI material and emotion. This will like compile the things, compile the components. So I'll hit enter. So it should start to install the material UI. So this is the basic. I didn't install yet icon. Material UI provides also icon. You can search here. If I press Ctrl K and I type icon, so they have also an icon list, a large. I think you will get a large portion of icon here. So you also have to install icon library. Otherwise you will not get this icon. So they have a lot of icons. If you search anything, I think you will probably get it here. So using these icons is also easy, and customizing them also is easy. You can do that. We'll do that in following videos. for now I will just install the material layer. It is installed, so I will restart the server again. So it started, so it is running. I will show you the components. I will start with the basic, and I will show you some components, how to use them, and I will try to also, by using some of the components I will try to make a website that looks good also in the last videos in this series. So follow this series. I will see you actually in the next video.